I'm Amanda Green-Hawkins, and I'm running for Pennsylvania's Commonwealth Court. That I work for the Steelworkers Union, that I have my husband Romy and our two children, and that I'm originally from New Jersey, born and raised Jersey City, New that I have a gold medal from the Penn Relays, 35 pounds and 35 years ago. um, that this is hard. um, that Gone with the Wind is my favorite movie. And when I was in my first year of law school, I worked 3 jobs to get through. I'm running for a number of reasons. One has to do with the way the makeup of the court. There is no one on that court with a background in labor law, and it's the court that's making so many decisions about workers and about labor. And so I am running to bring that diversity of background and experience to the court because it's handling workers' compensation, unemployment compensation, appeals from the Pennsylvania Labor Relations Board, health and safety issues, all kinds of things. And it's important to have that background and experience when decisions are being made. So that's one of the reasons why I'm running. Addressing bias in our judicial system. Uh, I see that as something that denies people access to justice because people get the process that someone believes that they are due instead of the due process that our Constitution guarantees that they're supposed to get. Depending on the age of the people, of the students I'm speaking to the young people I'm speaking to, because I speak to a lot of grade school, elementary school students. I'm asked to do that quite often. And something that I always want to convey to them is that they can set the world on fire. Even at their young age, even in their circumstance. Because I grew up, my family was poor, we're poor working class. My dad was an alcoholic. My parents went to Jim Crow segregated schools, you know. My dad only had an 8th grade education. But here I am, the next generation, you know, doing things and being places that they only dreamed of for me. And so the same thing for them. You know, they're probably living in all kinds of circumstances, coming from different backgrounds, and people telling them that they can't, and I'm there to tell them, you can set the world on fire. Let's make your strategic plan. I'm Amanda Green-Hawkins, and I am running for Pennsylvania's Commonwealth Court. I have the experience to be on the bench, but I also pass what I call the fit test. I can be fair, like I showed when I served as a mediator and worked with judges in my career, and I showed integrity when I served as an Allegheny County Council member and on the Port Authority Board of Allegheny County, and temperament. I certainly treat people with dignity and respect. It's at the foundation of everything that I do. And I'm also a fighter. I'm going to fight to make sure that I can win this primary and go on to the general election to make sure that not only I win, but all Democrats up and down the ticket win.